Alright, so this may be the longest unparceling unboxing that we might ever do on this channel, but look at this, man. I hope there's something left in this package here for me to review. Banggood. Banggood. Alright. What do we got here? A bunch of funny looking parts? Wait, is that actually like replacements for the servo, or do I have to install the servos? Plus, it's nice. Look, look. It's not like Arma when they give you those ridiculous plasticky removal tools for the screws, nuts, whatever you want to call them. This is actually made out of metal because they want it to last. Alright, alright. I'll take this out in the next bit.
Likey.